In 2018, the hole in the roof of the St. James AME Church / Gabriella Colored School spoke. It said, "Why don't you fix me?" The board of directors of the historic Oviedo Colored Schools Museum, Inc. has worked tirelessly since to bring this historic project to fruition. We have earned 2 grants. We have rezoned the project with Seminole County. We have discovered pews from 1957 and begun to renovate them. Also, our architectural plans were approved by our grantor on September 30th, 2025. We are moving ahead and applying for our building permit, and we wish to thank all of you for your continued support for this historic project.